Hi, I am working waterproofing. So Singapore work 10 years experience. So now I coming one house. This house 50 years old. 50 years old. So this area leaking. This area leaking. So I want to repair. See water. Just now apply cement inside. It's a cement, water. So just now apply a cement inside. So this inside. So this inside here to go water. After I apply waterproofing, acrylic painting, then leaking stop ready. So here I no painting. See, touch up, no painting. So this area I painting ready. Acrylic painting. See window area. Acrylic painting. So today I apply cement. Tomorrow I acrylic painting apply. Then water is stop ready. Same place. All place cement here. Cement. There also cement already applied. There's no finishing. I am have experience 10 years. So thank you.